Top 5 Best USB-C Cable. The best phone accessories, handpicked for you. Number 5. ULT-WIIQ 3.3-foot nylon braided USB-C cable, 8K display, 240W PD. This cable doesn't just connect, it elevates. Whether you're a creative pro pushing 8K timelines, a gamer chasing 144 Hz clarity, or a power user juggling SSDs and 240W charging, the ULT-WIIQ delivers. Forget flimsy cords that throttle performance. This nylon braided USB-C to USB-C 3.2 Gen 2x2 cable handles 20 gigabits per second data, crystal clear 4K at 144 Hz or 8K at 30 Hz video, and PD 3.1 fast charging, all in one sleek, durable build. Most cables buckle under dual demands, but the ULT-WIIQ thrives where others fail. It's engineered for laptops, PCs, monitors, and high-speed storage, turning cluttered setups into streamlined powerhouses. You'll feel the difference in speed, reliability, and peace of mind. Just note, while it supports up to 8K, your display and source must also be 8K, ready to unlock that resolution. This isn't just a cable, it's your workflow's silent upgrade. Number 4. Anker USB-C Cable 60W Fast Charging 2-pack. Your iPhone 17 Pro deserves a cable that keeps up, not one that slows you down. Meet the Anker USB-C to USB-C cable, built for speed, engineered for endurance. Perfect for tech-savvy professionals, students, and creatives who demand reliability without compromise. Unlike flimsy third-party cords, this 60W powerhouse delivers blazing fast charging and seamless data transfer, ideal for your iPhone 17 series, iPad mini 6, or any USB-C device. The 6-foot length offers freedom to move, while the reinforced nylon braid laughs in the face of daily wear. 2 cables mean double the convenience, one for home, one for the office, or keep a spare when life gets chaotic. Anker's reputation for safety isn't just marketing, it's peace of mind in every charge. One small note, while it supports 60W, max output depends on your adapter and device. Upgrade your charging game, because waiting shouldn't be part of your routine. Number 3. INIU 240W USB-C cable for iPhone 16 Pro Max, MacBook Air M3. This cable doesn't just charge, it dominates. With 240W power delivery, it fuels your MacBook Air M3, Samsung S25, or iPhone 16 Pro Max faster than most wall adapters. Perfect for tech-savvy professionals, gamers, and multitaskers who refuse to wait. Unlike flimsy cords that fray in weeks, this INIU cable boasts military-grade braided nylon and reinforced stress points, built to survive backpacks, coffee shops, and chaotic desks. The dual 6.6-foot length. Genius for flexibility without tangles. It's universally compatible, laptops, tablets, phones, even the Nintendo Switch, no more juggling multiple cables. While it handles high-wattage devices flawlessly, note that charging speed depends on your power source and device limits. Feel the difference: snug connectors, zero overheating, and a sleek black finish that looks as sharp as it performs. This isn't just a cable, it's your daily power upgrade. Stay charged. Stay ahead. Number 2. Anker Nano 240W USB-C cable, 6-foot black. Your charger shouldn't bottleneck your tech. Meet the Anker Nano USB-C cable, 240W of pure power wrapped in a sleek, multicolor braided design. Ideal for pros, creatives, and anyone who demands speed without compromise, this 6-foot cord delivers lightning-fast charging for iPhone 17, MacBook Pro, and beyond. Unlike flimsy cables that fray or throttle power, Anker's reinforced braiding and smart chip ensure maximum efficiency and durability. It's not just about raw wattage, it's about seamless performance, whether you're editing 4K video or juicing up on the go. The flexible, tangle-free build feels premium in hand and lasts through daily wear. While it excels with high-power devices, it's worth noting that older gadgets won't tap into the full 240W, but that's physics, not a flaw. For those who refuse to settle, this cable isn't an accessory. It's an upgrade. Number 1. Silkland USB-F certified 80 gigabits per second USB 4 Thunderbolt 5 cable. This cable doesn't just keep up, it redefines what's possible. If you're a creative pro, tech enthusiast, or Apple loyalist pushing dual 8K displays while charging your MacBook at 240W, Silkland's USB-F certified USB 4 cable is your silent powerhouse. Forget flimsy cords that throttle speed or overheat under load. This braided beast delivers a staggering 80 gigabits per second, 120 gigabits per second with Thunderbolt 5, enabling buttery smooth video editing and instant file transfers. Unlike generic cables that fail at half the wattage, it supports full PD 3.1 charging, so your iPhone 16 or Mac mini stays powered through marathon sessions. The reinforced nylon braid shrugs off tangles and daily abuse. Sure, it's built for high-performance rigs, so if you're only plugging in a mouse, you might be over-equipped. But for those who demand reliability, speed, and future-proof design, this isn't just a cable. It's your workflow's secret weapon. Thanks for watching Best USB-C Cable. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.